In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a task a subtask on Todoist, and it's really easy, taking just around 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open up your web browser and type in the URL app.todoist.com/login. This will direct you to the Todoist login page, where you'll have various options to access your account. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. This typically means filling in your email address and password. Start by typing in your email, making sure there's no typographical errors. Once you've entered your email, move on to the password field and carefully type in your password. It's always a good idea to double check your entries in case of a typo, which would prevent you from logging in successfully. If you prefer a faster login method, Todoist provides options to log in using Google, Facebook or Apple. Just click on the corresponding button to easily sign in with any of these accounts. This option can be especially handy if you tend not to remember your passwords for each site. With access to your account now granted, it's time to transform a task into a subtask. Within Todoist, first locate the main task that you wish to turn into a subtask. Click on the task and you'll find you can easily drag it. Gently move this task towards the right, directly beneath the intended parent task. This action will automatically convert your selected task into a subtask of the task above it. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've managed to organize your tasks like a pro, which can drastically improve the structure and manageability of your to-do list. Remember, organizing your tasks can help prioritize what's important and can clear up the clutter typically seen in our day-to-day planning. Using subtasks is particularly useful for those larger projects that have multiple components that need to be tracked individually but still form part of a cohesive whole. So next time you find yourself swamped with tasks in Todoist, just remember how to make use of that simple drag and drop technique to create subtasks efficiently. It's small techniques like these that can make a big difference in how you manage your daily and long-term goals using Todoist. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro at using Todoist, I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to give this method a try and watch how it streamlines your workflow. Until next time,